I'm sorry.
The time that I served already, don't that counts for the 93 days?
He deals with in his court, and that's how he deals with it. So that's how it goes.
See, I like him. I like
I'm
him.
not gonna.
If it's not, I'm going to issue a bench warrant for your arrest, and you might as well just turn yourself into the jail.
Mr. Covington, please state your name for the record.
Yeah, Covington.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we are here for a pretrial.
We are.
There is a violation report that I received yesterday afternoon. I did have a chance to discuss it with Mr. Covington.
Yeah, Mr. Covington.
Yes.
And what did we come out of that with?
Well, I did inform Mr. Covington that he is, as it's a bond violation, entitled to a hearing, and he has a right to testify at that hearing. I think Mr. Covington said he was going to speak to you, and said he wanted to be honest with you about what happened.
Well, go ahead. Just so that we're clear, I have 3 successive tests starting July 18th, positive for cocaine. Then on the 30th of July, you come back negative. But then you haven't taken a test since then.
Yes.
Go ahead. What do you want to tell me?
Well, I did make a poor choice. I was just bummed out because I didn't have a job at the
That what?
I was bummed out because I wasn't working. I didn't have a job at the time. I made a bad decision. But I haven't done anything since my negative test, but I didn't have money to do the other test. But I will have some money tomorrow, and I will be negative.
So why shouldn't, I mean, you weren't supposed to be using it all.
No,
Tell me why I shouldn't just lock you up.
if that's your choice, I'm standing to take accountability for my poor decision. But I'm just being honest with you. So I'm gonna just leave it in your hands.
Let me ask you this. And I appreciate your honesty, but do you test tomorrow? Are you going to come back clean? You will? All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to order that. First of all, I'll adjourn his hearing out to September 3rd,
Yes.
2025 at 9 a.m. You're to report over to Community Corrections for a test first thing in the morning. If the test is clean, then we'll just continue to the September 3rd date. If it's not, I'm going to issue a bench warrant for your arrest, and you might as well just turn yourself into the jail.
Okay.
Hear me?
Yes, sir.
So you're sure you're going to come back clean? I'll give you a shot. Okay?
So much, Your Honor.
Hmm?
So thank you so much.
Thank you. We'll see you on the 3rd.
Thank you. Good afternoon, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perry on behalf of Mr. McKenzie. Mr. McKenzie, state your name for the record, please.
Hi, this is Christopher McKenzie.
Thank you, sir.
Your Honor, we have come to resolution. I do have the requisite documentation here. I did not turn it in this morning. I was hoping.
I know what you're hoping, but it's not going to happen.
I would ask strongly, just because Mr. McKenzie is a nurse, he has a tight schedule, and it's hard for him to be here. I asked the court consideration. Mr. McKenzie, I messed up and I didn't get my paperwork in on time. So that's why I'm asking the judge to
Your Honor has his own deals that he deals with in his court, and that's how he deals with it. So that's how it goes.
See, I like him. I like
I'm
him.
not gonna. I'm not gonna argue with it.
See, take a lesson from that. Parody, don't argue
I'm
with
sorry, but
it.
how it has to go. We'll adjourn it. If we're making it on Wednesdays, we're pretty good so far for the month, so.
Okay, sir, given, I can give you the 3rd or the 17th of September, which would you prefer? Because he was so good. I wouldn't give you the option, Parody.
Well, that's very kind of you, Your Honor. But I am also in the thought process of trying to get through this as soon as possible as well. So the 3rd would be wonderful if you ask me.
Okay, that's when we'll do it. September
Yes, sir.
3rd.
Right.
2025, 9 a.m. or as your invite indicates. Thank you, sir. Have a good
You have a
evening.
good afternoon. Thank you for your time.
Case People versus Zachary Burlett.
And on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Pate with and on behalf of Mr. Burlett, who appears via Zoom. Sir, can you please state your name for the court?
Zachary Burlett.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. I have discussed this case as well as the discovery with my client. We're asking for an adjournment so that I can speak about some mitigation information with Ms. Londi. This is an older retail fraud case from alleged incident date from over a year ago. Mr. Burlett's currently on probation to this court. He's doing very well in transitional housing, so I'm just hoping to talk to Ms. Londi
He's in
about that.
transitional at this point.
He is through Dawn Farm, Your Honor.
So let me adjourn this out to September 17th, 2025. He's on probation. How long have you been on probation to me?
Since June 11th of 2024.
Okay. That's what I thought. I knew it had been a while. So I'll go up September 17th, 2025, 9 a.m. How are things going otherwise?
Everything is going great. This player has been very supportive. Still, being the service in the community, still learning, just taking it day by day.
There you go. All right. Well, I won't tell Miss Polera that you said nice things, so, okay? All right. Spurlett, you take care.
You too. Oh, wait, really quick. Do I have an upcoming review here soon?
On the other case,
Yes, I'm on a probation week.
you'll have to contact probation. I don't have that information in front of me because I don't have that case in front of me.
I'll call her and tell her things and find out.
Okay, I'm gonna tell her you said bad things about her, but don't worry about it. I'm gonna get to her first. We'll see how that conversation goes then. All right. All right, Mr. Burlett, you take care.
Bye.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court does call the case, People versus Diaja McCoy.
And on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor, Brandon Bird on behalf of Deasia McCoy. Respectfully, Your Honor, I did, you notice I tried to walk up slow.
Yes, I did. I did.
That
They're
was
gonna
more-
take all day. Right? I'm like,
I was trying to buy myself 5-10 minutes. My client said, did say she was about 5 minutes out when I just stepped out.
how long ago was that?
About
Half an hour.
minute and a half ago.
Oh, right.
No, right when I stepped out and came
You
back.
were in here a minute and she didn't tell you that.
That's when I came, you seen me go out and come in, I've been here about 72 seconds. Maybe
72
93 seconds or so. but- She did.
So she told you she'd be here in 5 minutes.
Yep, she said she was 5 minutes out trying.
Okay, was that a real 5 minutes or how soon you gonna be here? Give me 5 minutes.
I know about 22 minutes ago, she told me 20,
Okay,
but I heard her
all
in
right.
the car. I heard her in the
I'm
car.
done. Third, I'm done. I'm done. I'll pass it. We'll call it up at the beginning of the next block.
Okay, when's the next block start? Yeah.
Your client is not here.
Oh,
And
no,
now you're gonna like pressure me for when does it start?
I just wanted to know if I
We're
had time for breakfast.
inconveniencing your day?
No, I just wanted to know if I had time for breakfast, that's all.
Well, what kind of breakfast you gonna have?
McDonald's.
Go, because I've seen you when you don't eat and it's gonna be a mess. All right?
All right, thank
Okay,
you. John.
you'll have enough time.
Appreciate it.
If he goes to the McDonald's in Canton, I'm sending police. There are two McDonald's within like 3 minutes of here.
Left, right down here.
You can go left or right.
Okay. Okay, I'll go either one, right?
Well, there are three right around here.
Gotcha.
Okay?
All right. No,
Don't get lost.
I won't.
Okay.
Thanks.
What are you gonna get?
Soft egg and cheese, combo, and biscuit, egg and cheese.
Wow. Okay, enjoy.
Oh, yeah, just like.
I want that too. So, that's a lot he's gonna eat. He's gonna come back here napping. On the end matter, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna adjourn this out to September 3rd.
May I make a request, Your Honor?
You're going to anyway, so yes, go ahead.
Would it be past that date? So I applied to visit him in Faraga.
Got it. You've got to get in.
I don't think I'll
You've gotta
be
get-
doing
Yeah,
that.
will the 17th, you think, give you enough time? Probably not.
It might not be very frank, Your Honor. I'm not optimistic that that would be enough time. It might be.
Why, they don't have you on the list?
No, I applied.
Because you're like suspicious, aren't you?
Maybe, if that's the thing. I would've applied.
That's
I-
why.
I was all ready to go in person to the
First.
UK at this point, but no, he's not there, so. I
That's a
apologize.
vacation.
October 1st,
That'd be great. Thank you so much. Your Honor.
2025, 9 a.m. Miss Perronin, that's you to show up. I mean, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
I'm doing well, Judge. Thank you for asking. How are you?
I'm doing great. He said, what's his name to get breakfast? For what? He's not gonna bring enough for all of us.
I was gonna
What kind
ask
of
him for a
breakfast?
Happy Meal.
Huh?
McDonald's. He's going to McDonald's.
He's going to McDonald's. We don't know which McDonald's he's going to.
Mr. Bird.
That's a good McDonald's.
It is.
Mm-hmm.
As opposed to the bad McDonald's?
Okay, I live by a horrible
Me
McDonald's.
too.
Same here.
Okay, let's broadcast that to the world.
I will. It's like, it takes forever. They never have anything you want.
This one's.
You seem a little bitter,
It's
Tierney.
so close to my house. So easy to go get a Happy Meal for my child when he's.
Oh, now you're bringing the kids in.
But I
All
can't.
right.
It's horrible. I avoid that McDonald's. at all costs.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna stand in recess. You need to calm down in the interim.
Okay.
All right, and I'll come back and we'll start the next block. We're back in recess.
All right. Whoa. Yeah, maybe.
Court calls the case of the People versus Alexis Brown.
Christina Bear.
Good morning, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Kearney on behalf, well, not on behalf of Ms. Brown. You know, we are the attorney of record on this case. When I did meet with Ms. Brown, she informed me she wants to represent herself.
Your name?
Alexis Brown.
All right. Is that correct that you want to represent yourself?
Yes, it is.
So in this matter, Brown, I do have to inform you that the complaint in this case alleges that on or about June 8, 2024, location of 3001 Woodland Hills Drive in Pittsfield, Washington County, State of Michigan, that you did commit the offense of assault and or assault and battery against a Latasha Browning. Do you understand what you're charged with?
Yes, I do.
That is a misdemeanor punishable by 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. Do you understand the maximum penalties?
Yes, I do.
There are certain things that are fraught in self-representation in terms of understanding the Michigan court rules and in terms of the court procedure. You would need to understand that if you would like to represent yourself, that you would be held to the same standard as any other attorney.
Mhm.
The court will not be assisting you in any fashion whatsoever. You understand that?
Okay, so the time that I served, don't that counts for the 93 days?
I'm sorry.
The time that I served already, don't that counts for the 93 days?
I don't know how much time you,
I served 30 days already.
and if you serve 30 days, it may count. I'm trying to look at what your bond is on this case. What do you have a bond?
victims and then no contact with the victim as well.
And the monetary amount, 5,000, 10%, then it should count. Yes, ma'am.
And so I have a question. So when I was arrested, I wasn't actually told my rights. So ain't that against the law that you wasn't heard your rights when you arrested me? Well, not you, but the
Yeah.
officer.
I cannot,
You can't do nothing about it right now?
I,
All right, I just want to state that.
I can't answer that.
I just want to state it.
All right.
Okay,
Stated.
it's on record, right?
So
Okay.
what do you want this set for, ma'am?
I mean, Your Honor, we have no offer at this time.
Do you want it set for a trial, ma'am?
Sure, I guess I guess
You want a jury trial or a non-jury trial?
it doesn't really matter.
Well, you've got to make a decision, ma'am.
If it gotta go to trial, then it gotta go to trial.
Okay. Do you want a jury trial or not?
It doesn't matter.
You have to make a decision, ma'am.
It could have a jury, fine, that's fine with me.
Jury final settlement conference in this matter will be set 17th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Jury selection in this matter, October 20th, 2025 at 8:30. Both of those proceedings are in person. Thank you.
So am I free to go? So why am I not free to go? If she just said she got a bond,
Pardon?
why am I not free to go? Why do I gotta serve time when I'm not even?
You have a bond on the case, ma'am.
So if I get my money, I can get out. But she just said it was no bond.
Post bond, you can get out.
So I'd rather post bond. So where do I go from here?
You need to post a bond.
Okay, what's the bond? Cause you just asked her the same thing. Cause she said
5,000%.
it's $500.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'd rather post bond. Where do I go from there?
You can go post bond.
Okay, thank you.
It's your fault, parenting. Your fault. You just like suckered me into that. You got up there and then just said, well, we're the attorney of record, but
We're starting off the morning with a series of bad decisions already. This is wonderful.
yeah, I know, but they're all by parenting. The whole
That's-
McDonald's thing and then this and
This-
okay, let's try this one. Court calls the case People versus Deja McCoy. Is she here? Oh,
Brandon Center, Your Honor. Actually, she was there when I was walking out, Your Honor.
how come you didn't come back? You guys got to switch sides.
Sorry about
How come you didn't come back?
I came back, but you was gone. I figured you
I have
left the
been
bench.
here.
I
Don't
figured,
say
I'm
I-
talking about, I figured you left the
No,
bench. I
why
figured
didn't you
left
come
the
back?
bench.
Client was here,
When I was
and the
going
things
out,
he was saying about you, I was defending you. I want you to.
I was
Okay.
saying dismiss,
He-
dismiss. Doesn't
He was, I think, making. Okay. Reality is, I think you were making your decision because you wanted McDonald's, and you kept saying she wasn't here. That's why you didn't come back down the hallway. Isn't that right, Bert?
No, that's. I'm talking about when I
Yeah.
was walking outside. We crossed. each
Oh,
other's
walking
path.
outside, you,
Outside.
but you weren't gonna turn around
Oh no, I wouldn't have did
because
nothing like
you
that.
had McDonald's on your mind.
I would have got Coney. I had Coney on my mind for real. But I had to stay there. Didn't have time for it.
Okay.
But yes, Your Honor, Brandon Bird on behalf of Deasia Yargi McCoy. Ms. McCoy, can you please state your full name for the record?
Deasia Nicole McCoy Archie.
Thank you, man. All right, what are we doing?
Respectfully, Your Honor, we just asked for adjournment to give me some time to talk about the offer with my client and to go over these videos with her.
Okay. September 3rd. Enough time, sir.
Actually, I'm started trial on September 2nd, Your Honor, and I'm not sure if it'll be done on the 3rd.
Yeah, like you. September 17th, 2025. 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Have a
You
good
and
day.
Your Honor have a good day.
Okay. Did you get your food?
I did.
Okay, all right.
Your Honor, this is the way that we follow.
Okay, your name?
Jacqueline Murray.
All right, Miss Murray, you are before the court on a misdemeanor complaint that alleges that on or about March 10th, 2025, at the location of 2451 Twin Lakes Drive in Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, that you did break and enter a vehicle with the intent to steal property valued at $200, but less than $1,000. Do you understand what you're charged?
I understand what I'm charged with.
Okay, that's a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 1 year incarceration, a $2,000 fine plus court costs. The fine could be increased if 3 times the value of the property taken. If that's greater than $2,000, that would become the maximum fine. You understand
I
that?
understand.
All right. First question I have for you is, you want to be represented by an attorney?
Yes.
Public defender, please.
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Pate with and on behalf of Ms. Murray, we would waive any further reading, stand mute. And Your Honor, I would ask for an adjourned pre-trial date as well as a nominal bond. It's my understanding Ms. Murray is being held on other matters. I do not know that, or I was pulling up the next dates, which I do not have.
And in every way, formal reading, standing mute, court will enter a not guilty plea. Pre-trial in this. When is, she's being held on other matters?
She is, I do not have her next court date.
No.
Tomorrow.
And that's, go ahead.
It's Allison, I'm here, Your Honor. On X-Shield, I have, she has hearings on, there's one on the 13th of August.
Next week.
The ones, I think there's some,
Oh, she's here tomorrow on a felony.
yes.
Okay, let me do it this way. I'll just adjourn her out to September 3rd, 2025 at 9, my next available date. I'll set her bond in this case at a $500, 10% bond at this time. I'll order standard conditions, including no assaultive behavior, possession of any weapons, no alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal drugs. Okay,
Thank you, Your Honor.
thank you. Yes, hold on. Hold on a second, man. Yes, no contact.
To the Gulfside Lake Apartments at 2345 Woodridge Way. That's the location that the offense took place.
What was the address you gave? Because I have Twin Lakes Drive.
I will pull it up, but I have in my notes on which way she will.
That's what we have on our bond form, Your Honor, is Gulfside Lakes Apartments 2345 Woodridge. Way.
Oh, okay, I see. So it's Gulfside Lakes. All right.
That's in the apartments.
All right, I will add the conditions, not, you're not to enter Gulfside Lake Apartments.
And one more thing, I'm sorry, Your Honor. For the bond, if I can request a $5,000 security bond, this defendant has numerous outstanding warrants for the year. And multiple of those warrants have a $5,000 bond associated to them. So I'd like to respectfully ask if they could address the bond.
So cash or security bond? Cash or security, is that what
I'm
you
in
want?
jail, so I'm not going nowhere.
I got this one, don't worry.
Thank you.
I got it. I'm gonna decline to do that. I think she'll be held on this, as I've said.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. But I appreciate your help and trying to help me out. Yeah, okay. Case People versus Melissa Hatfield.
Allison, on behalf of the people.
The arraignment. All right. Come on up there. What's your name?
Melissa Hatfield.
All right, Ms. Hatfield, you are before the court on a misdemeanor complaint that alleges that on or about April 22nd, 2025, at the location of 4860 Washtenaw Avenue in Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, that you did commit an assault and battery upon a Carolyn Latham. Do you understand what you're charged with?
I guess so, yes.
Well, you guess so, or do you know what you're charged with?
I do understand what I.
Okay. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. Do you understand that?
Yes.
First question I have for you, ma'am, is do you wish to be represented by an attorney?
I honestly don't know. Today is my first knowledge of this case even being valid. I was never notified prior to the court to even be here, other than there is now a small claims trying to go against the business where I work. And then
There's what now?
there's, I guess, a small claims case trying to go against the business where I work,
By who?
the same person.
Okay.
And that was when I was made aware that I was also being charged. I was never no prior knowledge at all.
Okay. So
So I'm okay with representing myself, yes.
you are.
I am not guilty, sir. So,
Well,
yeah,
that's fine. I mean, I don't think getting an attorney means you're guilty or not guilty. It doesn't mean anything. It's just, what do you want to then do on this case?
I would plead not guilty.
Okay, I'll enter your not guilty plea, but then what do you want to do next on this case?
I would assume that charges should be dropped.
Okay, that doesn't just happen by magic.
Okay. Tell me what I need to do, please.
I can't do that. I can't tell you what you need to do.
Okay.
So I'm going to ask the question again. Would you like an attorney to assist you through this process?
Yes.
Good answer. This is a public defender case.
Yeah, like I said, I was never made any prior knowledge.
I just don't want you saying anything about it, okay?
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Pate, and on behalf of Ms. Hatfield, we would waive any further reading. My client stands mute, and we would ask that a not guilty plea be entered. We would ask for an adjourned pretrial date as well as a PR bond, please, Your Honor.
All right. What I will do is I'll adjourn this matter to September 17th, 2025, 9 a.m. I've entered her not guilty plea. I will set her bond at a $5,000 personal recognizance bond. I'll order standard conditions, including no assaultive behavior or possession of any weapons. I would indicate at this time there's to be no alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal drug use. I'm going to order no contact with Carolyn Latham. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
All right. And the 4860 Washtenaw, what is that?
I believe it's called dental house or the dentist's office. Oh.
People were scrapping at a dental office? Not kidding, allegedly. Okay, so, pardon?
I'm not sure if you asked for no, but I believe that's where.
You work there.
I work there currently.
All right. But Miss Latham does not work there? Or, okay, gotcha. So I'm not gonna order that. I'm just gonna indicate you're not to have any contact with her, okay?
Your Honor, may I ask, how do you spell the last name? I apologize.
Oh, Latham,
Yes.
Latham.
And I apologize again. What was the first name?
Really? Why didn't you just ask me for the whole name?
I was already writing Latham. I don't know. It was just, that's a me
It's
problem.
Carolyn.
Carolyn. Oh, thank you.
That's YN.
Oh, okay. I was gonna ask like Little House on the Prairie, Ma, or like with the Y. So with the Y.
What?
Because Carolyn.
I don't know. No,
Miss
that, no.
Nichols.
When I said what, I didn't want you to explain again. I just needed this to end. Okay.
Fair.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Culprit Chronicles where justice reigns in the courtroom drama. Clear the chains. Truth and fairness is what we deem. Order in the court, justice supreme.